You see it now?
Still seeing perplexity.
Oh, okay. Give me 1 minute. How about now?
There we go. Palantir buy call. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so this one, I did it till June 18th, but a call at 57, and then I went to a closer one at 140. So I'm gonna get a premium if it expires at $100. However, if it goes above the price of 183, I make unlimited amount of money. So if it goes back to 200, I'm gonna make $3,000. It's gonna cost me in total max loss 9,000, 10,000, but that's because these things are just so expensive. You can do it with a cheaper stock, and it might be more beneficial. But these covered calls, poor man covered calls, you basically pay half the price for the actual stock, right? Because if you bought 100 stocks of Palantir right now at $178, that's 17,800. And here you're paying at half the price, almost half the price, but you still get the benefit if it goes over the actual premium that you want to make quite a bit of money.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's what poor man's covered call. But you could do it something else cheaper. That's just APLD. I mean, you should take these off. You can save quite a bit of money, like APLD, since it's a cheaper stock. Um, Trade options, buy a call. So we can do one, let's just say a year out, January 2027. And so we'll just do. So I always use the break-even price quite a bit to tell me where about I want to be, because right now the price is 36. So I always go, okay, I want the break-even price to be 38. We'll just say 38 here. This is going to cost me $2,950. So then what I do, you go in, let's just say June or April on here, and you want to go down to the break-even price. It's at $38. You can go up one, 39. So this same call now cost me $3,000 for these two calls. And so if it goes up above $38, I'm making money quite a bit.
It's at 36 right now. So it's not that much. Doesn't have to move that
Yeah,
much.
not that much. That's what I'm
Yeah.
saying. It's there's ways to play around with it, and you can make more money that way, but this is my objective, what I do. Huh? But that's why they call it poor man's covered call, because if it was for the real one, just the call itself at that price, if I was to do a year out, it's gonna cost me 2,000. That's not bad. It should be the difference. Oh, never mind. It should cost me level. I think because it's so close to the delta.
Yeah, you gotta be deeper in, right?
Yeah, I think I'm too close to the delta. That's why. But it usually should be cheaper, because that's why I call it poor man's. Yeah. But that's where I get stuck at. That's where I in my program. I can do it in my mind. I just can't do it with um what is it? I can't do it in bot. Where's
Mm.
the
Well, I got this thing back testing right now, and so far it's doing pretty well. Let me share my screen.
all right.
This is the poor man's covered call, and it is trading. I gave it a couple tickers. What tickers is this trading? I gave it Oklo and a few other ones I mentioned. Yeah, Oklo, New Scale, Bloom Energy, and Lamb Research. And so far, this is up quite a bit. It's up 3% in only a couple days.
Good.
It's going a little slow because it still has to download the data, but
Uh-huh.
but so far so good. I mean, I told to backtest over the past 3 months, so we'll see the November dip as well. We'll see how it
Oh,
does
that's
with
good.
that, right?
That November dip was just terrible.
Yeah, yeah, that's a big hit. Yeah, a few of my options positions blew up in November. It's kind of annoying. I was looking at my account. I'm like, oh, I have so much cash. And then November happens. I'm like, damn it. Like,
That happened to me too, man. So I
yeah,
mean, but I was halfway out because I always do halfway, so
yeah,
it didn't hit me as bad. But I understand.
yeah. This is doing
That's
pretty good
doing
so
pretty
far. Look at
good.
this. Yeah, it's a good start.
That's doing really good.
Yeah, definitely. I gotta figure out why this percentage keeps disappearing. Okay, so why don't we let this back test? I'm gonna go grab some more water and use the bathroom, and then this is gonna take a little bit of time anyways. This is saying another 8 minutes before it finishes, so which is actually pretty damn fast. Our back testing has really gotten a lot faster. Holy
Yeah.
crap.
Yeah.
That
Good
is
job.
impressive. This is on new data too. Like it's actually downloading data and still going this fast. Wow,
Good job.
I'm
Doing
impressed.
way
Yeah.
better.
Well, I've been working on this for 3 weeks. I'm glad to finally see this thing working, you know,
Yeah, good job,
trying to
man.
speed it up.
I see a big difference from me from last time I was trying to do this and just waiting forever.
Yeah, yeah, because that really puts a damper on it, right? Like you build a strategy and then you have to wait like three
Yeah.
hours to get a result. Like that's just unusable.
Well,
For me, 20 minutes is also still too long. I like to make it much faster in 20 minutes, but it's more in the ballpark of like this is reasonable, you know?
no, it's great. That's what I didn't like is I spent so long on it and then it fell.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah,
ah, huh?
yeah. That's the other thing we spent a lot of time fixing too. Like
Yeah,
it should be failing a lot less often now too.
that's good.
Yeah, we did a lot. Like basically all I'm doing for the past month is just like bug fixing and speed improvements. That's it. You know?
See, that's where I get right here. We should have some kind of stop loss going for it goes good at first, but we should have some kind of stop loss to prevent it to go this far down.
Yeah,
That's where my issue is right now.
yeah. Well, we could very easily put in a stop loss and then see how that affects it. Right.
Yeah,
This first run is going to be a little slow. It's going to
yeah.
take right now. It's saying like 40 minutes. I don't think it's going to take that long, but the second run, we could like analyze this and we could say, okay, well, based on, what this thing's been trading and where would you put the stop loss, we can actually have that discussion, you know, and we could also do the VIX check as well, right? So the
Oh yeah,
same thing that we put on a lot of other strategies, check for the VIX. If the VIX spikes, just get the hell out, you know?
yeah. We should do that. I forgot to say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. I need to make a checklist of all the stuff that I do and just put it into words so I
Yeah,
can
that makes
do
sense.
it. I have not done that. I just put it on my mind. I'm keeping crap with the latest news going on, and I don't do that.
Yeah,
Good
it
point.
makes sense. Okay. All right. Anyways, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get some water, use the bathroom. I'll see you guys in like 5, 10 minutes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Hey guys. So it looks like we're still up. When did this crash happen in November? Was it beginning or towards the end?